What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome to the unboxing of Iceriver KS5L 12TH. Don't mind the mess in the boxes behind me. There's more unbox videos coming soon for that. We may have a DR7 in there. Wink, wink. Enough about me. Let's get to the unboxing. I already pre-cut it already. Protect your phone. I always hate taking these miners out because it's always difficult and I struggle to get these bad boys out. Woo! Wee! The struggle's real. Toss that to the side. Toss that to the side. Make it look neat. The KS5L. Right here, 12 terahash, 3400 watts, Kaspa mining.